Cool little skid loader right there. Ready, bud? Got a little bit of a bottleneck up here. Dude, f***ing cakewalk. Literally just climbed right up it. Run in on these guys, but it's kind of what's inadvertently happening.
Well, the Tractionator review is these things kick. My lord. I love these tires. So far, worth the money. We'll see how many miles. We'll see how many miles we get out of them, but right now I'm in love with them. But it could also be this ground's just so tacky.
Got a KLR, Tuss D Sports.
And we own too. Lucas likes the Tuss D Sports. Apparently it's a, it's kind of a copy of the Dunlop D606. And I had said to him, hey man, when we come down here, you're gonna need different tires because you had what, Shinko 704, 705 combo? Yeah. And that was not gonna cut it. Pretty uneventful weekend, knock on wood. Lucas had his tube come apart, so we got a new tube. And I think Bob has he had a slow leak in his tube also. His was under the valve stem because it was all rusty. But other than that, it's been a good weekend. Or week, a couple days out here. So we're gonna keep riding, try to get back to camp. Lucas is gonna go do a T7 demo. I'm probably gonna grab some lunch. And then maybe try to find someone that can take me down something a little more challenging than what we're doing now, but not like wreck the bike, bring 12 people to get the bike up. We're not doing no hard enduro today, but just something a little bit more so I can maybe get something a little gnarlier on camera. But we're having fun. I'm sweaty, he's sweaty. We're getting back on the trail.
Dude, it feels like I have a wet rag on my face. Yeah, it's like you gotta get it wet to seal on your face kind of deal. Not too bad because we're going. Yeah. Oh, I know where to go. That's way more fun going up. Don't go too high when you exit though. Shut I don't think I would have ever come out here on my own willingly. Like, even if I saw a video, I wouldn't have come out here unless someone told me, like, you need to come, this is a fun place to ride and the rally's really cool. I honestly don't think I'd just come out here on my own. I'm talking to both you and the vlog. But yeah, I don't think I would just willingly come out here. But it's awesome riding. It's awesome riding. Could you imagine this without this asphalt right here? Then someone's gonna be like, you could have gone faster through there. Are you coming from here or back there? Alright, we'll pull up here. Two more behind them. So, there's no one else behind you guys, right? Okay, cool. Stay safe, guys. Have a good one. don't know, maybe they live around here. Oh yeah, there can't be anyone behind them because we're at the road now. Whew. Back at camp. Looks like some people are just getting ready to pack up and get the heck out of Dodge. A lot of people are still out riding. Maybe give those guys a call, see where they're at.